Welcome to another episode of our Sustainable Sense miniseries. I'm your host, and today we're diving into making your first investment. I know, so exciting. It's like a baby's first step. So far, I've been telling you who to invest in and why, but now I'll be telling you the hows. So 2 weeks ago, we covered the basics of opening a bank account, but today we're getting into something a little bit different. So without further ado, let's get into the episode. Welcome to Sustainable Sense, where we invest in climate defense. You're in for our hot take on all things money, markets, and the environment. While your regular bank account is perfect for handling your everyday transactions and saving for that dream vacation, it might not be the best tool for navigating the twists and turns of the stock market, which we know can be just as volatile as a 5-year-old whose iPad got taken away. But don't be fooled by the name, because a brokerage account won't make you go broke. I mean, unless you're a huge risk taker whose risks don't usually pay off. But a brokerage account is like a specialized toolkit designed for traders and investors. So unlike your traditional bank account, a brokerage account comes with bells and whistles specifically crafted for buying and selling stocks, bonds, and other financial assets. So your bank account might be good for holding cash, but a brokerage account is good for growing your money through a vast array of investment opportunities, from stocks and ETFs to mutual funds. So go check out our past mini-series episodes to learn more about those types. So when you're trading, you need real-time data because timing is everything. So a brokerage account provides real-time market data, charts, and research tools to help you make informed decisions. So before further delay, let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, you need to find the right brokerage. So think of it as picking the perfect partner for your financial journey. So look for one that aligns with your goals. Like, do you want to trade stocks and ETFs or mutual funds? Or do you want someone to grow your money and offers the features you need? So do some digging, read reviews, and find the perfect match. So examples of brokers include Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, and Robinhood. And no, we'll not be stealing from the rich today. Now, after you decide the broker, you need to get your paperwork in order. So when you get to their website and click on open an account, it will show all the requirements. It's like getting your backstage pass to the right stock market. Now, there are different types of accounts to choose from. You have individual, joint, retirement, and education savings. I'm sure you've heard of things like 401ks and Roth IRAs for those who are saving for retirement. And these are all types of brokerage accounts, so pick the one that best suits your goals. So you've done your research, you've got your documents, so now it's time to make the relationship official. So head over to the brokerage's website, look for an open an account button, and let the financial journey begin. Now the brokerage needs to know you a little bit better, so fill out your personal information accurately. It's like creating your financial profile. Okay, now in my opinion comes the fun part, choosing the features you want. So want to do options trading or use advanced charting tools? This is your chance to customize your trading experience. I'll be going over those details in a later episode, so don't worry. Okay, now, between you and me, we all skip the terms and conditions sometimes. But don't do it this time. Take a moment to read through the rules of the game, understand the fees, and make sure you're on the same page with your brokerage. And now your account is ready, but it needs some food. So time to transfer those funds. Most brokerages accept bank transfers or electronic fund transfers. So transfer money from the bank account you opened a couple of weeks ago, of course, after listening to the Sustainable Sense mini-series. Now, welcome to the cockpit of your financial aircraft, the trading platform. So this is the moment you have been waiting for, placing your first trade. To start, I would say pick a stock or ETF, specify the quantity, and choose your order type. So there are 3 main order types: market order, limit order, and stop order. This is a little bit of a complicated topic, even for me to understand, so we'll put a limit on that discussion. And hey, welcome to the world of trading. Now, there are a lot of good investing apps available. For example, good old Robinhood gives easy navigation and commission-free trading, but it does lack research tools. Similarly, Webull is commission-free, good for beginners and experienced traders, but there is a steep learning curve for beginners. Now, E-Trade and Fidelity, on the other hand, are well-established and have comprehensive research and education tools, but they have higher commission fees on trades. There are a few other apps such as SoFi Invest, Stash, and Acorns that I recommend you take a look at after this episode. And And congratulations, you are officially a stock trader. But the journey doesn't end here. It's important to keep an eye on your investments, track performance, and stay informed. It's like nurturing a garden and watching your investments grow. And there you have it, our step-by-step guide to opening a brokerage account for stock trading. Remember, every financial journey is unique, so take your time, do your research, and enjoy the ride. Anyway, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes, feel free to reach out to us on Instagram at sustainablecentspodcast, or reach out to us on Gmail at sustainablecentspodcast@gmail.com. Again, that's sustainablecentspodcast@gmail.com. And you can check us out on LinkedIn too. We love hearing from our listeners and cannot wait to get to know more of you. So until next time, this is your host signing off. And as always, invest your cents in climate defense.